Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we'll look at the price action in gold US dollar currency pairs from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is Wednesday, March 1st. At 6 a.m. we have high impact news plan for Australian dollar related currency pairs, followed by a medium impact news. At 3:30 p.m. we have high impact news plan for British pound related currency pairs. And at 8:30 p.m. we have high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, we are noticing it to be trading within a bearish channel pattern, and we have noticed a price action to take support around the support level of 1804 and then to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and currently we are noticing it to test the resistance line of the bearish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. In the past also we have noticed a price action to test this resistance line and to fall on the bearish side retracement. And for now, it is again testing this resistance line. If the bullish trend is still stronger, we can expect it to retest this previous resistance level of 1846. And for now, as long as the price action is trading within this bearish channel pattern, we can expect the bearish trend to continue with 4 hours time frame. And if you want to enter into the bearish side trade, this level of 1820 is the current support in the 4 hours time frame. And only when the price action breaks this support level of 1820, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. Otherwise, we can expect the price action to continue with bullish side retracement, which means that it will be completing its double bottom pattern also. So on the bullish side, the target is going to be around 1846. And if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1805, which is the support level from where it started its bullish side retracement. So this area between 1805 to 1800 is currently acting as a very strong support zone, because in the past also we have noticed this area to be acting as a very strong support. So it has to break this support zone in order to continue with bearish side retracement. We have to wait and see whether this bullish side retracement is a sign of trend reversal or it is only a pullback it has done in the past price action. So once the price action breaks the resistance level of 1830, next level of resistance on the bullish side is going to be around 1838, 1846, 1857 and 1872, which means that it will be breaking this bearish channel pattern and start its bullish side retracement. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, after taking support around the support level of 1804, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and again currently it is testing the resistance level of 1830. And when we look at the chart pattern, it has formed a double bottom pattern and it has retraced to the level where it started its bearish side retracement in the past, which means that we can expect a bearish side retracement. But it has to break the support level of 1821 from the 4 hours time frame in order to fall further on the bearish side retracement, because this level will be acting as a neck level of the double bottom pattern. If the bullishness is still stronger, we can expect it to take support at this support level of 1821 and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement in hourly time frame. So the values within these blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1825 and resistance level of 1830. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance line from the bearish channel pattern of the 4 hours time frame on the bearish side, next level of support is going to be around 1820. And once this support is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1814 and 1804, and the range between 1804 to 1800 is going to be acting as a very strong support zone, and only when the price action breaks this support zone we can expect the bearish trend to continue. Till this level, it will be only considered as a retracement on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1830, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1837 and 1846. It will be completing the bigger double bottom pattern. So wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1830, which will give the confirmation on the continuation of the bullish side retracement, based on which you can enter into the bullish side trade, because it will be breaking this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern also. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame, we have noticed a price action to retrace back with a very strong bullish trend. And after testing this resistance level of 1830, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So for now, this level of 1830 is a very important resistance level. So once the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect a bullish side retracement to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. So I would recommend you to wait till the price action forms a proper trend line, so that you can get the confirmation on the continuation of the bullish trend. If the price action takes support on the trend line or the support line and bounces back, it will be the confirmation on the bullish trend continuation. And if the price action breaks the support line, end of the bullish side retracement and continuation of the bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame. So for now, we are noticing the price action to bounce back from the resistance level of 1830, and if the bearish side retracement continues, next level of support is going to be around 1824, and once this support is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1820, 1817, 1840, 1810 and 1804. And for now, the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is still in a bullish trend, as long as it is trading within this bullish channel pattern. For the bullish side target, please refer the hourly time frame levels. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I'm in 15 minutes time frame, and as we notice in 30 minutes time frame also, currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement after testing the resistance level of 1830, which is also the resistance line from the bearish channel pattern of the 4 hours time frame. And as long as the price action is trading below this resistance level of 1830, we can expect the bearish side retracement to continue. And once the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue. Currently, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1827 and support level of 1825. Once this support level is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1824, 1822, 1820, 1818, 1814 and 1809. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1827, next level of resistance is going to be around 1830. Once this resistance level is broken, we can expect the bullish side trend to continue in 15 minutes time frame also. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.